returning home from the office, Vivaan, who was pursuing his undergraduate studies, happily stood before his father. Yet, there was a wish in his heart. "Dad, it has been many years since I bought my two-wheeler. Now it has become an old model. All my friends come to college on new model vehicles. I too wish to go to college on a newly released vehicle. Please buy me a new one," he insisted. Unable to refuse his son's request, Sridhar, the father, exchanged the old vehicle and bought him the new model that had just arrived. Vivaan, overjoyed to receive it, began going to college on it. One day, to spend his holiday, Vivaan went to his grandparents' house. There, something special on the bed in his grandmother's room caught his eye. It was not an ordinary bedspread. He saw that an old cotton saree had been neatly stitched and spread out, made to look like a new bedspread. Astonished, Vivaan went to his grandfather and asked, "Grandpa, you have plenty of money. Then why did you use an old cotton saree to make a bedspread? And what did you do with the previous old bedspread?" Grandfather smiled and replied, "The bedspread we had earlier got torn. Instead of throwing it away, we stitched it into a floor mat and are still using it. We must make old things useful in some way and use them as long as possible. If we value and use the things we buy in this way, the economy of a household will become stable. That will also be helpful to the nation's economy," he advised. Just because we have money, we should not buy things beyond our needs. This advice from his grandfather deeply sunk into Vivaan's heart. Immediately, he remembered how he had stubbornly insisted with his father to frequently change his vehicle. It was then that Vivaan realized, only when we value and fully use an item we buy, until it serves us completely, does true thriftiness arise. This benefits not just the family, but also society and the nation. A few months later, a college essay competition was held on the topic, Thriftiness, the Foundation of a Sustainable Life. Vivaan participated and wrote about his experiences and the advice his grandfather had given him. His essay won first prize. When receiving the prize in class, the words he spoke touched everyone present. "It doesn't matter whether the things we buy are new or old. What matters is how respectfully we use them. Thriftiness is not just about saving, it is the value of our life," he concluded proudly.